Hello guys, welcome to the channel Math Ko Math with Aditya. In this video, we'll be doing the exercise 3.6 of pair of linear equations in two variables. So in this question, solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So let's start with the solution. So in this question, will be given all the equations, all the variables of x and y in the form of the denominator. I'm just assuming 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. So whenever you will be solving them, you will always get the value of x upon y because you will take the LCM. And you will never get the individual value of x and y. So in order to get those individual values, we will take this whole term 1 upon x, that is x to the power minus 1, as some other variable, say p. So the equation turns to p plus q, and the other one, when you take it as q, it will become p plus q is equal to something something. So then after getting the value of p and q individually, that will be in the first part, that not in the negative part, as in this case 1 upon x, they will be in the numerator only. And once you have got the value of p, then you can find the value of 1 upon x. So let's start with the first question, and you will get to know what I was trying to explain you. So the first question is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2, and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. So these are the two equations which you have. So as I was telling you, we will take this one, we can express this as 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x. Do you agree? Yes, why won't you? 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x. This will be 1 upon 2x. That is the original part. Again, it can be expressed as 1 upon 3 into 1 upon y. And this is equal to 2. Now, taking this 1 upon x as p and this 1 upon y as q. Now your equation will be 1 upon 2p plus 1 upon 3q is equal to 2. Now let's solve this equation. So now what you have is the LCM 6, and above you have 3p plus 2q is equal to 2. This can be written as 3p plus 2q is equal to 6 2s are 12. First equation. Similarly, we will extract this 1 upon x term from here also. So what we get is 1 upon 3. As we have assumed 1 upon x to be p, similarly here we also take 1 upon x to be as p. So 1 upon 3p plus 1 upon 2q is equal to 13 by 6. Solve this further, we get that we'll take the LCM 6. So we get that 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 upon 6. They get cancelled. You are left with 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. Now as you can see again, all the variables are having no common coefficient. So you cannot solve by elimination method until you multiply them. So multiply this by 2. We want to eliminate this 3p. So 3p and 2p, the LCM will be the 6p. So 3p into 2, this equation into, and this equation into 3. So when you multiply this equation by 2, you get that 3p into 2 is 6p, 2q into 2 is 4q, and this is equal to 12 into 2, that is 24. Similarly, here you have 3 into 2p, that is 6p, plus 3q into 3, that is 9q, and this is equal to 13 into 3, 39. Now you can easily subtract them. Subtracting, and subtracting. 6p minus 6p is 0. 4q minus 9q is minus 5q, and this is equal to 24 minus 39, that is 15. So using this, we can find the values 24 and 39. So 5q upon, then You have minus 5q is equal to minus 15, that is q is equal to minus 15 upon minus 5 plus plus, and you get that q is equal to 3. Q is equal to 3, and using q is equal to 3 in any of the equation, let's say here q is 3, so 3 3s are 9, 13 minus 9, that is 4 upon 2 is p, so p is 2. So we have got that p is equal to 2 and q is equal to 3. Now since q is equal to 3, so this is equal to 1 upon x. Since we have assumed that 1 upon x is p, so this can be written as 2 is equal to 1 upon x. Similarly, q is equal to 3, but we have assumed that q is equal to 1 upon y. So this 3 is equal to 1 upon y. Now this y goes to the numerator there, and this 3 goes to the denominator. So this implies that y is equal to 1 upon 3 and x is equal to 1 upon 2. So this is how you find the solution for such questions. So now let's move on to the second part. In the second part, the pair of equations which we have are 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2, and 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. Again we will take out this 1 upon root x as common as p. So let 1 upon root x be p. So we have 2p plus 3 into 1 upon y, that is 3q is equal to 2, and from here 4 into 1 upon root x, that is 1 upon root x as we have assumed is p. So 4p minus 9 into 1 upon y, that is q. So 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. Again, as you can see, by multiplying this with 2, you get 4p, and here also you have 4p, so it can easily get cancelled. So multiplying whole of this equation by 2, so 2 into 2 is 4p, 2 into 3q is 6q plus 6q, and 2 into 2 is 4 is equal to 4. Signs will change, this will become minus, this will become minus, this will become minus. Negative subtracted, minus 9q minus 6q is minus 15. Here you have minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. So q is equal to minus 5 upon minus 15, that is 1 upon 3. So using this, q is equal to 1 upon 3, you can easily find the value. So if here 2p is equal to 2, let's say p, we will divide it by 2 also. So 2 minus 3q upon 2, q as we got 1 upon 3, so 3 into 1 upon 3 is 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 upon 2. So p is equal to 1 upon 2. We have assumed that p 1 upon root x is equal to p. This implies that 1 upon root x is equal to 1 upon 2. So you can take that root x is equal to 2. Similarly, for q also, we will do the same. Since 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon root y is equal to q, therefore 1 upon root y is equal to 1 upon 3. So here you can take that root y is equal to 3. Since root over x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 square, that is equal to 4. Similarly, y is equal to 3 square, that is equal to 9. So we have found the value of x, that is 4, and y, that is 9. So let's move on to the next video. So I am covering 2 parts in this part. Next 2 will be in the next video. So this question will be divided into 4 videos, because if I won't do so, it will take a lot of time of yours in one video, and this will become very big. So the first question will have 4 videos in the channel. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.